Hello friends, how often to change antifreeze in a car? Many people mistakenly believe that since the cooling system is closed, that is, it does not come into contact with the external environment. The coolant systems cannot deteriorate on its own because dirt and debris don't get into it. That's not true. Important. The main reason of the deterioration of the quality of antifreeze argon and the destruction of additives that provide anti-corrosion protection. As a result, metal particles and other substances enter into the coolant system. Its nodes became clogged, and it began to cope with its task worse. And how often should you change the antifreeze in your car? It's necessary to take action in one of two cases: when its period indicated by manufacturer of the product has came up, more on that later, or on an there are clear reasons to believe that the clogging system has begun to work worse. In the first case, you have to operate to take your time at your own peril and risk. Science usually antifreeze can provide an effect for some more time. In the second case, you should act immediately. Signs that may indicate deterioration in refrigerant quality include the following: the coolant changed its color, became cloudy, a large amount of foam appears, the liquid became thick, jelly-like, the amount of antifreeze is sharply reduced, a precipitate appears in the liquid, metal particles, flakes. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.